Hello, this is Achintya, a 6th grader from Little Scholars Montessori House of Children. I am getting ready for the workshop that our school is conducting. Yay! The day is finally here. All the students and the teachers have been preparing for this day from a couple of months now. The students of all age groups were assigned different topics and subjects to present. And I got a botany topic and a cozy corner to present. Along with the topic, you can also witness how the Montessori setup is and how our materials look like. Now, coming to my topic, I welcome you all to the kingdom of Vegetaria. Word Vegetaria in Latin means to grow. Although animals also grow, the word Vegetaria has been applied to plants because it's generally fixed. We all know that plants can be grown by sowing seeds. But did you know that some plants do not need seeds to grow? These plants are known as cryptogams, where crypto means hidden seeds. And all the other plants which need seeds to grow are known as phanerogams, where phanero means visible seeds. As most of the plants we see around us fall under this division, the focus of my presentation will be on this. So the common characteristics of the plants and trees we see around us are leaves, roots, stems, and flowers. And the flowers produce seeds because all plants in this division produce seeds. Hence, another name for this division is spermophytes, where sperma means seed or simply seed plants. So now the question is, how do they produce seeds? They produce seeds in two distinct categories. Category 1 or angiosperms produce seeds in the ovaries of the flower and later is surrounded by a fruit. Category 2 or gymnosperms produce seeds in cones without any fruit or flowers. So after a seed is sown, it needs energy to germinate and grow into a plant that can make its own food. Until then, a small packet of energy is stored inside the seed called a cotyledon. Angiosperms could germinate from a seed that has either one cotyledon known as monocotyledon or from a seed that has two cotyledons known as dicotyledon. Again, the monocotyledon plants will grow as group 1 and group 2. So the monocotyledon plants grow as group 1 have the flowers without any sepals and petals, and the monocotyledon plants that grow as group 2 have flowers with sepals and petals. So the examples of group 1 include the flowers of grass, corn, sedge and cattails, while the examples of group 2 include the flowers of palm, ginger and bananas. So depending on the appearance of the flower, the group 1 plants can be again divided into 5 families, which are family Graminia, family Arum, family Typhaceae, family Cyperaceae, family Aracaceae. So coming to the family Arum is a big group of flowering plants known for their unusual flower shape and their horrible smell. So a spike of tiny flowers called as a spadix is wrapped in a colorful leaf-like cover known as a spathe. So as a conclusion, I discovered that plants may look simple, but the way they're classified is actually fascinating. From tiny mosses to giant trees, every plant has its own property. So understanding this complexity helps us understand how beautiful nature really is. Okay, that was my presentation. After presenting this topic for over 40 times, I'm getting ready for the next. From a toddler who cried for months to go to school to a happy and confident boy, this environment has seen me transform. This place will remain close to my heart for the rest of my life. It feels very emotional to leave this place, but it is necessary to take the next leap. Hey, by the way, these are the products that we students made at Little Scholars. Thank you for being with me.